Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I made my tall mirrored floor vase, and it was really easy and quick, so let's go ahead and jump on in. So the first thing I did was I picked up these 1x2s from Lowe's. I picked up 4 pieces. Everything I used for the project is listed in the description box. They are $2.33 each. Lowe's will cut them for you, but I decided to cut these myself. Okay, I'm going to be cutting them at 24 inches. The total length is 48 inches, so I'm basically just cutting them in half. So here I am marking them at 24 inches. I'm taking it outside where I'm going to use my saw, and I'm just going to cut right along the line. You do not have to do this. Lowe's will cut it for you for free. Are my 2 pieces, and I'm going to be using this Gorilla wood glue and my hot glue, and that's all that I'm using to attach the mirrors to the wood. And I wanted to use wood in this case because I want this to last a really long time. But another alternative is to use foam board from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to line up my 5 mirrors all together first, and I'm going to go along the seam of the mirrors with hot glue, and that's just going to give it some that's just going to give it the ability to stay still while I apply the wood strips to the mirrors. That's going to keep everything in place. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my wood glue along the length of the board, and then I'm applying my hot glue. And the hot glue is so that everything stays in place and so that I could keep going. The wood glue is going to take about 24 hours to cure. Now, one thing that I wish I had done differently on this project is I wish I had taken those little round rubber pads off of the back of the mirror. So if you do this, go ahead and remove those from the back of the mirror. I'm just going to do the exact same thing here on another piece of wood, and I'm going to put 2 pieces of wood on each set of mirrors. And here I am again, I'm lining up another set of mirrors. I'm going to do this a total of 4 times with the mirrors, okay? And then I'm going to apply my glue and then my hot glue, just like I did before. And I'm going to line it up right at the very edge of the set of mirrors. Doing the exact same thing twice. And I'm just making sure that it is lined up on the edge, because if it goes beyond the edge of the mirror, it's not going to go together right. So I did not remove those pads off of the back of the mirrors, but next time I will, because I'm going to be making a shorter one like this. And I will remove it next time, because if those pads are at different thicknesses, it will cause your vase to be skewed. And I'm going to put some hot glue right along the edge here where the wood attaches to the mirror, just to give it some extra reinforcement. I'm going to go along this edge here with the two glues. First with the wood glue, then with the hot glue, and you have to move pretty quickly because of the hot glue, okay? But you want to make sure it is lined up properly, because you don't want your mirror vase to be skewed. And I'm going to go inside just like I did before and put the hot glue along the inner edge. And that's just going to give it some reinforcement. You'll have to hold this up until the glue dries, the hot glue dries, so that it doesn't fall back open. And I'm going along the top edge as well. Now, when I finish for the last part of this, to finish it up, I'm going along each edge of the wood with the wood glue, but you have to work in sections with the hot glue, because you don't want to go all the way down, and then it's going to be dry by the time you go in to put your mirrors on. So just put enough hot glue along the wood, you know, that just each mirror would fit on. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I finish. And basically this completes the project. You can put another mirror on the bottom to make it more or less like a candle holder, where you can put a candle on top or you can put a plant on top. You know, just the ideas are limitless with this particular project. So guys, this is it. This is going to finish up this mirrored vase. I told you guys it was really easy. That's the way it looks on the inside. And here it is in my kitchen. I also had it in my living room, so I'll be moving this around a lot. I'll be putting different types of flowers in it. Guys, I hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.